Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. See here 6A intermediate level. Its question number 5th is to simplify, and its A part is 9x into a minus b whole square over 27x 3 into a minus b cube. So you have to solve it in the similar way as you have solved earlier. You should not use formula to expand it. You have to cancel it out. So try the similar way. Write 9 over 27 as separate, and because x is the higher power of x is in the denominator, so you should write it as x3, this one, and this x raised to power 1 when carried to the denominator it will become minus 1. I have written x3 minus 1 because this x has degree 1 or power 1 or exponent 1. I have given it to the this x power 3, therefore it has become minus 1. I have brought the degree of this x to the denominator, therefore it has changed into minus. And for the next term that is a minus b cube here, 3 here, and this 2 when carried to the denominator it will become minus 2. There is nothing remaining in the numerator, only 9 is here. So you can move further. If you can subtract 9 ones are 9 and 9 threes are 27. Now only 1 is in the numerator, and in the denominator there is 3, this 3, and when 1 is subtracted from 3, the answer is 2, x raised to power 2, and then when 2 is subtracted from 3, the answer is 1, and a minus b raised to power 1, and raised to power 1 is not written, so this is the answer. See it again, dear student. I have separated 9 over 27, and then the other portion that was algebraic expression, and x3 was greater power, and I have to get positive power, therefore if I carry it to the numerator it will become negative, so bring the lower power toward the higher power. I have brought lower power toward higher power, again lower power toward higher power. Always do this method, and it is easier and simpler, and it has less steps. When there is greater number of steps, the question become more simpler, but it consumes a lot of time. So to avoid to save your time, you can follow this method. Now there is b part. B part is, C in the B part, 7a3 into a minus 3b 4 times, and 21a square b into a minus 3b 2 times. Now remove the digital part 7 over 21 as separate, and then see here is a square and here is a cube. Move to the higher power, base of higher power, so a3, and this 2 will become minus 2 when it is carried to the numerator, and b is only one time, separate b is only one time, so you will write it here, and the a minus 3b has higher degree in the numerator, so you will carry the lower degree from the denominator and you will write it here after changing the sign. It is plus here, and when it moves to above it will become minus. So now move further. 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 21. I have cancelled these. Now when you will remove 2 from 3, the answer is 1. No need to write 1, a degree 1. And when you will subtract 2 from 4, the answer is 2. You will write here 2, and in the denominator there is only 3 and b. This is the answer. Then there is C part, that is, dear students, see this, 8 into ab cube into 2a plus 3b whole square, while 32a square b into 3b plus 2, this is one time. Now we have to make 2a plus 3b or 3b plus 2a same terms. You know, you are no needed to make them same, but for your convenience I am making them same. We can subtract or add their exponent without changing their places, because they are being added. If they are subtracted, then it is necessary to change these, but now I am also changing. Now see here, 8 over 32, these are the number, and then there is a in the denominator is greater degree, so you will write a square. This a will become minus 1 here, its exponent will be carried here, it will become minus 1, and b has greater degree to the above 3, and from this it will become minus 1 when b is carried to above. And then 2a plus 3b square, and it will become 2a plus 3b. Now you can cancel these. 8 ones are 8 and 8 fours are 32. So, and when you will subtract 1 from 3, the answer is 2, b raised to power 2, and here 4, and a will become a, because when 2 is subtracted by minus 1, the answer is a. Answer is 1 and it will become a. And here 2a plus 3b has exponent 2, this one, and this one will become minus 1 when carried to the above, because this whole one has degree 1. So now you can write the answer, its final answer, that is b square into 2a plus 3b, 2a plus 3b one time, because when 1 is subtracted from 2, answer is 1, and we no need to write 1, and 4a is here. This is its final answer. See this D part, it is again like the C part. D part, in D part, 8 over 96, and then a has greater degree in the denominator, so you will carry this a here, minus 1, its degree has been carried to denominator, it has become minus 1, and n has greater degree in the numerator, so 3 will be subtracted by this minus 1. This one when carried to above, it will become minus 1. And then there is b minus c, b plus c, b plus c, and here you can write b plus c by changing the place. B has been brought here and c here, so it also become b plus c. Its degree is 2 or its exponent is 2. Now you can divide 96 by 8. 8 ones are 8, 1 here and 6 here, 8 twos are 16. It means that when 96 is divided by 8, the answer is 12, and 8 when divided by 8, answer is 1. So no need to write 1 this one, and only n when subtracted by 1, answer is 2. 3 minus 1 2, and in the denominator this 12, and a because when 2 is subtracted by 1, the answer is 1. And in the denominator you can write b plus c 2 minus 1 due to this one. B plus c has one exponent, and here it will be written as. The answer is n square from the numerator and 12a b plus c in the denominator. It's okay. Dear students, see it when 3 is subtracted by 1, the answer is n square here, and this 12 is here, and this a, because subtract 1 from 2, the answer is only 1, and a will be written as. And this b has exponent 1, therefore I have subtracted this 2 from 1, and b plus c will remain as such, and n square here and 12a here. Missed what it was, the video was missed a little bit, therefore I have explained it again. Dear student, thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.